Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the new scanner which we created for an intraday. So how we effectively use this scanner for our intraday less than 1% stop loss. That is the main reason which we have created this based on ADR indicator. So ADR which always works better, and even we are going to reduce high risky trades to filter out very minimum risky trade that we have created new dashboard. The dashboard already updated on our premium group, and if you wish to access my premium group, so more detail on premium group, so you can contact me the WhatsApp number which shown in this video. So these are all the stocks. So how we filter out this group is about 15 minutes time frame. So we are ignoring the first 15 minutes because of a big candle which happened due to gap up and gap down. So simply we avoid the first 15 minutes candle, and the second 15 minutes, and third 15 minutes, and the fourth one, and the fifth one. So these are all the thing which you are done. So this is for a bullish side, and we are going to complete, and this is for a bearish side. So like second, third, fourth, and 15 minutes candle. So we should complete this coloring and other things in soon. But how it works today, so that I'm going to discuss here in this video. So only in the second 15 minutes we have two stocks. Already we have a dashboard that will give you many stocks. So this is what our normal dashboard. So you will be finding out what is the difference between the new one and the old one. So you can look at this LNT. Today LNT performed well in the Tower Sriram. So we got almost 2, 4, 5 stocks. So let me check LNT. What is happening? How much is the percentage which is changed is almost 2% in the first candle. So LNT. After the breakout, it is works well, but our risk factor is more than 2% if you are keeping the low below the candle low, or if you are keeping below the ADR low, that would be very small. So to avoid such a big gap up and gap down candle, so we are using second candle. So LNT is the first one, and Indus Towers, Shriram Finance. So let me go to check. This is also working. Here you can see there is a big candle, almost 5% in the first candle in this tower, but it doesn't give you the breakout above to the level, so no entry. But you can see there is a huge big candle. So if I'm taking an opportunity above to the high, and if I keep the stop loss below, I'm going to lose more than 5%. To ignore this one, so big stop loss, and Shriram Finance, Granulars, Shriram Finance, that was a huge one. So more than 2.9%. So simple to avoid this thing. So we are ignoring the first candle. Even second candle, you can see Glenmark, LIC, IDFC First Bank. So lot of stocks. So let me check what is happening. Glenmark, in the second candle, you can look at this 1.1%. And IDFC, the second candle, what is happening? What is that? IDFC or IDFC First Bank? So IDFC First Bank, not IDFC. IDFC First Bank. That is the stock. And the second candle, you can look at this more than 1%. So in this case, it will trigger our stop loss once the broken the previous high of that particular candle 84.45, and again it triggers your stop loss in the same candle. So it is greater than 1%. So we simply avoiding that stocks, and even you can filter out Ambuja Cements. Yeah, Ambuja Cements, you can look at this. It was a quite good one. So the second candle, you can look at this. Here is the second candle around 0.3% and above to the high. So we are looking for, it was giving you some good movement. So to avoid that big candles which closed above our ADR level, so we use a new dashboard. So that is the reason, and it is one of the idea from my subscribers who are asking about this. So by using this new indicator, new ADR dashboard, so we are filtering out on the second candle. So we find out in the previous dashboards around the 6 stocks, but here only 2 stocks may be easy to identify. Third candle no stocks, and fourth candle we have 3 stocks. Let me check how it works. And same like that, here for second candle no, and the third we have, fourth no, fifth candle we have. So the number of stocks is very less. From there we can easily select which one is suitable to take a trade, and like that. So this was the main concept which you are developing this particular dashboard. Okay, so let me check HDFC. I think HDFC got triggered your stop loss. Even the stop loss is pretty very less. You can see the second candle. So 1422. The percentage change is around 0.414 percentage, and high and low is around 4 to 5 rupees. Initially, it broken the high and immediately triggers your stop loss in this case. So what we are doing about to this breakout, and this is what your stop loss, and in the next candle it triggers your stop loss. After that it moves well, so we don't worry about it. It is a stop loss trade based on the concept which you are using an ADR. So that was a triggers our stop loss. So leave it. And Ambuja Cement. In this case, it was works very well, and I was checked in the morning. So here is the breakout. So from 611, after breakout, immediately it came down. So that time I was in 600 option because it is highest price is around 611. So we are nearing to the expiry weeks. So normally we are not going to take an option trades. So 611 is a breakout, and I'm just looking for a 600 call option. I was seeing that is around 11 rupees. From 11 it went up 15 plus. Okay, so in this candle, so maybe here it gives you some good movement, and quick scalping, that is also we can use. So this is what two stocks, one triggers stop loss and another one give you such an opportunity. And second candle we don't get any stocks, and third candle we have three stocks: Adani, PVR and Power Grid. So let me go for a third candle if I'm looking for a bullish one. So PVR, third candle, Power Grid. So it is about a fourth candle. Fourth candle here, so 0.63%, and it is giving you the breakout and the stop loss is not broken, and that was giving you such a good move. So maybe one or two stocks which we can easily filter out around 0.6%, and it went up to more than 1.3%. That is a good move and also liquid one. Then PVR, INX and Adani Enterprise. It's about a fourth candle. That high is not broken, but the high got triggered only around 2 o'clock. It is not about a good time for an intraday, so we are simply ignoring that. So Adani Enterprise, what was happening? Here is the fourth candle, and that high is broken and the low is not broken, and finally it reaches towards some high. But it is a higher value stock, so why the candle is showing big? But if you are percentage wise, it's about just 0.7 percentage only. Okay, in that upside. So downside, we have a lot of stocks like PEL, India Cements. So India Cements, these are all the stocks. Whether it is liquid or not, you should first confirm with that. If you are going for an opportunities in options. So for third candle, so it low broken 919, and the same candle itself it moves down towards 916. That gives you some good move. India Cement. What is happening on India Cement? Here it may be a stop loss one. So here is the third candle. The low is around 241 and 240. I think very small. Low is 241.65. High is 243. So near about 2 rupees, less than 2 rupees. Okay. So let me first check from that level to that high. Exactly 1.7, and initially it came 2 rupees. So maybe 1:1 it triggers, and then it triggers your stop loss. Then finally it came down. So we are like playing with the stop loss and target. Then it may be Jindal Steel and JSW Steel. So what is happening? Jindal. So that was in third one. This was giving you lowest 570, 77565, 77555. So maybe it's the open low. Maybe if you are taken, that has also been triggered. So we can take that much close. So if you are using a buffer, we can simply ignore it. And JSW, what is happening in JSW? That was a good move. So after this third candle low was broken, and it was giving you such a good downside. So a lot of stocks, and in the here Godrej Properties and Crompton on fifth candle. So let me check Godrej Properties. Here is the fifth candle, 10:15 to 10:30. So such a good move, and that was a targeted maybe more than 1:1. And Crompton. So I think that was working. So to find out, here is the about 10:15 to 10:30. That is a fifth candle. The low is broken and the high is not broken. That is also giving. So from this dashboard, we simply finding out trade opportunities which we can plan for an intraday. If you are following for an option trade, you just confirm the stock is having liquidity and volume. So very less number of stocks comparing to the previous dashboard. So we have a many number, but we are even filtering out some numbers of stocks. Okay. So this is what a concept which I created the dashboard and already updated on our premium group. So if you wish to join my premium group on my charting scanner, so you can access lifetime the group. Okay, so it's not only for a single, so one time you join and you can access all my premium scanners, and also whatever the new scanners which I have created, that is going to be updated that group only, so without no any extra charges which you are going to charge. So thank you so much. Thanks for joining here in this live session. And if you have any questions and doubt, you just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you.